1975 Chevy C10. Having difficulty getting these connectors out of their position, but after much mucking around, I squeezed it together with a pair of long nose pliers and put a small screwdriver like this into the back, and it came free. Now, I'm not suggesting it's the correct way to do it or not, but I've removed it because I'm going to put it in another location because the printed circuit board is damaged, so I'm going to rewire it myself. But getting this thing out can be a devil of a job, but with compressing the together while it's inside, while it's in there, and then getting a small screwdriver behind the back of it, jiggling it around a bit, and it came out. So good luck with that. It's very easy to damage these things, but with a bit of patience, it'll work for you, so good luck.